Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is the one that I'm gonna send you. It's exactly the same that you have. That's all you have to do, and it twisted like that with your fingers. And if you need to remove it, you can remove it easily up, but they also stay there. You don't need to use a hammer or anything like that to push them down. It doesn't come off as easily. It stays on, as you can see, and you can twist it all the way. So I will say, first off, move it all the way clockwise to the end, so that you can put the big knob, as I'm showing you right there, the big knob pointing to the inside of the vehicle. And then you know that if you twist it the other way, the knob will end it up on the end toward the tube. So that's all you need to do, and that's it. And this is not coming off. This is the same that my wife's car has. So okay.